Hi, you're with Bill from OLIVINS. We're cooking some ground chicken, garbanzo beans, coconut milk, green curry, onions, garlic, and we're just about to add some snow pea pods and some broccoli and some carrots. We're going to add the carrots first, half a cup of carrots, a whole can of garbanzo beans rinsed, and about a half a cup of snow pea pods, and a half a cup of broccoli. It's the first time I've ever done this. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lime on there. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanuts. I'm going to stir that up. There's extra virgin olive oil in there first. I use the Estate Reserve. We're going to cover this up. We're also going to serve it over some really nice forbidden rice. We're going to show you the finished product when we're all done. Okay, we're about 10 minutes in. And this dish is looking fantastic. I've taken a couple tastes of it. It's delicious. Our rice is not quite done. We're cooking a forbidden rice from China. It's actually purple in color. That's got about 10 more minutes to go. Turn down the heat on the main dish here. Then we're going to come back with you and serve it on some forbidden rice and let you know how it was.